Today we're going to speak about computer object joined file shares within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.4 environment. Historically, when creating a file share and joining it to your Active Directory, Nerdio Manager for Enterprise has used a user object to perform this activity. This simplifies the process and in most cases provides the simplest and quickest method for achieving your outcome. However, some users have found that they have a requirement to create a computer object joined file share, so that's joined to your Active Directory using a computer object. This provides some benefits, specifically in this instance, the ability to create an AES-256 encrypted file share, which will provide stronger encryption for environments that demand it. The process of creating this file share is very similar to the existing process. We simply click the Add Azure File Share button and we can create or select an existing file share, create a new one or selecting this one. I'll create a new one. We can specify a resource group, a location, performance obviously, file share name, capacity, and if you want to add on share level permissions at this point. And we simply tick the box that says create a computer joined file share. Please be aware of the notes in the tooltip. When using a computer account, you will need to rotate that computer account password regularly, so there's a maintenance requirement here. Review all of your settings and click OK. And the process of creation will begin. Once this process has completed, we can see that we have our new file share joined to Active Directory. We can also see in Azure that this file share is joined to Active Directory. So the view is exactly the same for a computer joined file share as it is for a user joined file share. The way to validate that this machine has file share has been joined in a computer account is to review the settings in Active Directory. So you'll see a computer object rather than a user object, and to confirm that the file share has been created using AES-256 encryption, simply access the attribute editor for the object, look for the MSDS supported encryption type attributes, and you'll see AES-256 as the supported encryption type. This shows that you have an AES-256 enabled file share that can be used with stronger encryption. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you very much for your time, and we will see you again.